Wow, I'm blown away when I look at the list of ingredients for the Fulvic Cellular Repair Complex, but I know it works wonders.
You know why there's so many ingredients in our Fulvic Cellular Repair Complex? Because of the dirt. Our Fulvic Cellular Repair Complex comes from the dirt. The good stuff in the dirt. You know the most powerful stuff on planet Earth is the soil? And Fulvic Cellular Repair Complex are soil-based minerals and vitamins. The fact that they're soil-based tells you that they're water-soluble. They're minerals that dissolve in water. And because they dissolve in water, they conduct electrical charges. That's unlike ordinary minerals. So Fulvic Cellular Repair Complex has the advantage over ordinary minerals in the sense that they're water-soluble and electroconductive. The net effect is detoxification, particularly for the digestive system, and Fulvic Cellular Repair Complex is great for digestive health, but also for skin, hair, and nails, and also for improved wound healing.